Looking to upgrade your ride? Amazon is full of gadgets that make your car smarter, safer, and more convenient. From handy tools to clever accessories, these affordable finds can transform your driving experience. We've rounded up 25 of the best car gadgets available on Amazon, perfect for every driver. Check the links in the description below to grab yours and take your car to the next level. Number 1. 12-volt car battery booster. This all-in-one jump starter and air compressor features a 24,000 mAh battery and 4,000 amp peak current to start dead 12-volt car batteries and inflate tires quickly. Dual fast charging ports and 160-watt DC output keep your devices powered. Powerful 400-lumen LED flashlight offers multiple modes for emergencies. Compact and rugged, it works down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit with 10 built-in protections, making it a must-have for roadside safety and car preparedness. Number 2. SyncWire Bluetooth 5.4 FM Transmitter Car Adapter. This Bluetooth FM transmitter brings your car audio to the next level with upgraded Bluetooth 5.4 for faster, stable connections and minimal sound loss. Enjoy hands-free calls, deep hi-fi bass, and seamless auto reconnection every time you start your car. Dual USB ports let you charge 2 devices safely with built-in protections. Rainbow ambient lights add style and can be turned off easily. Simply tune to a clear FM frequency and stream music effortlessly. Number 3. 12-volt electric blanket for car. This soft polyester fleece blanket warms up quickly, keeping you cozy on chilly drives. Powered by your car's 12-volt outlet, it's perfect for commuting, camping, or tailgating. The 60-inch cord reaches all seats, so passengers stay comfortable too. Foldable and easy to store, it doubles as a pillow or emergency kit essential. Stylish black plaid design makes it a thoughtful gift for road trippers, campers, or anyone who enjoys staying warm on the go. Number 4. Car Rear View Mirror Wiper. This compact wiper keeps your side mirrors clear in rain or fog, improving safety without leaving your seat. The soft, natural rubber brush removes water, dirt, and dust gently without scratching. Its scalable design reaches both left and right mirrors, and the layered brush head ensures fast, streak-free cleaning. Small and portable, it fits easily in your car for quick access. A simple, effective tool for better visibility on wet or foggy days. Number 5. Hotor Car Trash Can with lid and storage pockets. This collapsible car trash can attaches easily to headrests or the center console with adjustable straps. Magnetic snaps make replacing trash bags quick and hassle-free. Its durable, waterproof lining prevents leaks and spills, keeping your car clean. Multifunctional, it can also store cups, toys, or act as a cooler. Compact yet versatile, it fits most sedans, SUVs, and trucks, making it an essential accessory for a tidy, organized vehicle. Number 6. Ki-Style for MagSafe Car Mount. This sleek magnetic mount is designed for iPhones with MagSafe and most Android phones using included metal rings. Strong magnets and VHB adhesive keep your phone secure through bumps, sharp turns, and sudden stops. The mini-size design mounts on your dashboard without blocking your view, allowing safe, hands-free driving. With 360-degree rotation and easy one-handed operation, it's perfect for calls, GPS, and quick access while on the road. Number 7. Car Engine Fault Code Reader CAN Diagnostic Scan Tool. The Ansel AD310 is a compact, reliable OBD2 scanner that quickly reads and clears check engine light codes. It supports all major OBD2 protocols and works with most US, EU, and Asian vehicles. The large screen displays live data, freeze frame, and emission codes clearly, while its sturdy design and 2.5-foot cable make it easy to use in the garage or on the road. Portable, accurate, and simple, it helps you identify problems and take action fast. Number 8. Magnetic leather sunglass holder for car. This sleek faux leather clip keeps your sunglasses secure and within easy reach on your car's sun visor. Strong embedded magnets hold glasses of various sizes firmly, preventing slips or scratches. Lightweight and easy to install, it fits most cars, SUVs, and trucks. The hidden slot design allows one-handed use without blocking your view, making it a safe and convenient accessory for everyday driving. Durable, stylish, and practical for all your eyewear. Number 9. Just Top Car Steering Wheel Desk for multi-purpose. This versatile steering wheel desk turns your car into a convenient workspace or dining area. One side features a cup holder and flat surface for drinks or snacks, while the other has a pen slot for laptops or paperwork. Made from durable ABS material, it fits most steering wheels securely. Installation is quick and tool-free, and it's easy to clean and store when not in use. Perfect for long drives, business trips, or multitasking on the go. Number 10. Govee Car LED Lights. These vibrant LED strips bring your car interior to life with 16 million colors and customizable effects via the Govee Home app. The built-in mic syncs lights to your music, creating a dynamic, immersive atmosphere on drives or road trips. Smart app control lets you adjust brightness, colors, or modes with ease. The two-line design ensures tidy installation, and adhesive strips plus rubber tubing keep the lights secure and protected from spills. Number 11. Back Seat Headrest Hanger Holder Hook. These sturdy hooks transform your car's headrest into extra storage, holding up to 45 pounds each. Made from microfiber leather and stainless steel, they protect your car while keeping bags, coats, groceries, and more organized. They free up floor and seat space, preventing items from rolling around. The side opening design allows quick, tool-free installation and removal, a simple, practical solution to keep your back seat tidy and clutter-free. Number 12. Android Car Phone Holder for MagSafe. This versatile phone mount offers 360-degree rotation and 210-degree dual-axis adjustment, letting you switch between portrait and landscape modes effortlessly. Its secure adhesive suction system keeps your phone stable on dashboards or windshields, even in extreme temperatures. Equipped with 22 powerful magnets, it holds phones firmly during bumps or sudden stops. The circular cooling design prevents overheating, and installation is quick and easy. Compatible with all MagSafe devices and most smartphones, it's perfect for safe, convenient driving. Number 13. Portable Wireless CarPlay Car Stereo. And this 7-inch portable car stereo adds wireless CarPlay and Android Auto to any vehicle, letting you access maps, calls, messages, and music hands-free. It mounts easily on your dashboard without removing your original radio and supports Siri and Google Assistant voice control. Real-time GPS navigation and an included backup camera enhance safety, while multiple audio outputs let you play sound via Bluetooth AUX or FM. The HD touchscreen offers vibrant visuals, making driving smarter and more convenient. Number 14. The original patented car seat gap filler. And Drop Stop fills the gap between your seat and center console, preventing lost items and adding safety with full coverage around the seatbelt catch. It moves with your seat, requires no adjustment, and fits most vehicles with its flexible neoprene design. Each set includes 2 drop stops plus a slide-free pad and LED credit card light. Durable and built to last, it's the original patented solution for keeping your car tidy and safe. Number 15. 12.3-inch ultra-thin touchscreen car stereo. This ultra-thin 12.3-inch touchscreen is designed for Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212 2012 to 2015 with NTG 4.5/4.7, delivering crisp 1920 by 720 HD visuals for stunning clarity and brightness. It supports wireless and wired CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands for safe, hands-free control. Dual system functionality keeps your original OEM features while adding modern conveniences. Built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi ensures seamless streaming and phone integration, a sleek upgrade that enhances both entertainment and driving safety. Number 16. Basics Emergency Seat Belt Cutter and Window Hammer Tool. This 2-in-1 escape tool gives you a sharp seatbelt cutter and a double head hammer for breaking car windows in an emergency. The tungsten metal tips shatter glass fast, and the bright orange handle offers a secure, easy-to-spot grip. It comes in a 2-pack with protective brackets for safe storage in your door pocket or console. Designed for quick escape in crashes, rollovers, or sinking vehicles, though it won't break laminated glass. Number 17. Wolfbox MEF 50 Compressed Air Duster. This powerful air duster spins up to 110,000 RPM, blasting dust and debris from keyboards, electronics, and car interiors with ease. It features 3 speed settings for precise cleaning and comes with 4 nozzles for versatile use. Lightweight and portable, it includes a lanyard for easy handling. Built with a long-lasting battery, it's a reusable, eco-friendly alternative to canned air. Fast charging gives up to 4 hours of use for reliable, efficient cleaning anywhere. Number 18. Hotor Trunk Organizer. This spacious trunk organizer keeps your car clutter-free with 2 large compartments and 6 mesh pockets for groceries, tools, or sports gear. Made from durable Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching, it supports over 60 pounds and stands up to heavy use. Adjustable Velcro sides let you fold it fully or partially to fit your space. Items stay visible and easy to grab, and the collapsible design makes storage simple when not in use. Number 19. Pulitiki Car Cleaning Gel. This versatile cleaning gel reaches every corner of your car, from vents and dashboards to cup holders and door handles. Simply press the gel into cracks, and it lifts away dust and debris with ease. Made from natural materials with a lavender scent, it's safe for your car's surfaces. Reusable and easy to store, it also works on keyboards, remotes, and other electronics. A handy, practical tool for keeping your car and gadgets spotless. Number 20. Android 15 Car Stereo. This high-performance car stereo is designed for Mitsubishi Lancer models from 2008 to 2017, featuring an 8-core CPU, 6GB RAM, and 128GB storage for smooth multitasking and seamless performance. The 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen supports split screen, customizable home pages, and wireless CarPlay/Android Auto. Bluetooth 5.0, FM/RDS, and AI DSP deliver crisp, studio-quality sound, while built-in GPS and Wi-Fi keep navigation and streaming effortless. It also supports reversing camera input and steering wheel controls for safe, convenient driving. Number 21. Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. And this compact inflator delivers fast, accurate air pressure for cars, SUVs, motorcycles, and bikes up to 120 psi. You just set the pressure, connect the hose, and it shuts off automatically when finished. The LCD display, pressure units, and built-in flashlight make it easy to use anytime. It runs on a rechargeable battery and stores neatly in a glove box. With multiple adapters included, it handles tires, balls, and small inflatables with ease. Number 22. Lysen Retractable Car Charger. This compact 4-in-1 charger is made for 12-volt car outlets and keeps your devices powered without clutter. It features a 180-degree rotating plug, dual USB ports, and a retractable cable that extends over 30 inches. The 69-watt output charges up to 4 devices fast, including newer iPhones and USB-C devices. Its shock-proof, adjustable design stays stable on rough roads, making it a reliable everyday car accessory. Number 23. Portable Pressure Powerful Washing Kit. This compact washer gives you strong cleaning power anywhere you need it, using an intelligent pump that starts and stops automatically. It runs on a 12-volt connection with 100 watts of power, delivering up to 7 liters per minute for quick cleaning. It's perfect for cars, bikes, walls, and small home projects. Just prime the pump with water before use for smooth operation. The kit is easy to carry, simple to set up, and powerful enough for gardens, farms, and outdoor surfaces. Number 24. Slime Tire Puncture Emergency Kit. This is a complete on-the-go tire repair system that lets you fix a flat in minutes without tools or removing the tire. It uses a powerful 12-volt inflator and sealant to repair and fully inflate your tire with one button. The dial display lets you watch the pressure, and the release valve keeps things precise. The sealant is TPMS safe, non-toxic, and approved by major manufacturers. It's reliable for short-term driving, giving you up to 100 miles to reach a repair shop safely. Number 25. Universal Fit Car Gap Filler. This smart organizer blocks that annoying space between your seat and center console so nothing falls into the gap again. It fits most cars with a flexible design that stays snug even when the seat moves. The slim shape adds storage without taking legroom, and the premium leather gives it a clean, stylish look. It doesn't interfere with seat belts or cup holders, and the cable pass-through keeps chargers tidy. A simple upgrade that keeps your car organized. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this roundup of must-have car gadgets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing deals and automotive essentials. Drive safe, stay prepared, and make every journey smoother with these handy tools. See you in the next video.